Good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. I am Prashamsa Paudel, a student at VIII National School, currently studying in grade 82. Today, I stand before you to talk about the art of execution, turning ideas into reality. Let me begin by asking a simple question. How many of you have created beautifully decorated, color-coded studying timetable right before an examination or as a New Year resolution? Almost all of us, right? But of course, the plan didn't exist for more than 3 days. Why does this happen? It happens because we put 100% of our brain power into planning but completely forget about the most important part, execution. When we sit down and create a massive 6-hour study session, our brain just gets hit with a fake level of satisfaction. We feel like we have already achieved something huge just by using pen and paper. But let's be real, an idea without execution will always remain as a dream. We need to learn the art of getting started. To fix this, we need to follow 3 simple steps. First, make your goals actionable. Stop saying, I will study math today and start saying, I will solve 5 math questions at 5 p.m. Second, use the 2-minute method. When you're feeling bored or lazy, don't focus on the whole chapter. Instead, just force yourself to open the book just for 2 minutes to build the momentum. Lastly, choose consistency over intensity. Studying 1 hour every day is much better than studying for 7 hours straight a night before examination. So let's stop dreaming and start executing. Pick a small task, open that book and turn your ideas into reality. Thank you.